Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, today's video is we're doing a summer beach makeup tutorial. I've never done this makeup tutorial before on my channel, you guys, but I'm very excited to do this for you guys. The way you guys are going to the beach and you guys want to look really pretty, but not just like, wearing too much makeup, because it's gonna be hot, it's gonna be sunny, but you just you don't want to get all burned and all that. Very excited to do this makeup tutorial for you guys. If you guys are brand new, make sure you guys go down below, hit the subscribe button, and also guys, don't forget to turn notifications on. That way you guys, make sure you guys turn all notifications on, because that way you guys don't miss any new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And also guys, let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any request videos, like be specific and everything, because that way I know what you guys want me to do, and I'll definitely get around for you guys. I literally have a notebook of all the lists that I'm actually gonna be filming. So if you guys see any of your comments and everything, I will literally write it down, and then I can actually get around to it. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so first thing off camera, I actually used my brand new Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow and Restretchable Brow Pencil. This is the ash brown. I've never even tried this before, you guys, but I literally got this at Safeway, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try this out, but I really like this, you guys. And the next thing I also did off camera too, this is the Pasty by Pastra Flawless Poreless Primer. And the next thing I'm also be using is my Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Me Foundation infused with peach sweet red cream. Oil free, 14-hour wear, oil controlling, and photo friendly. And the next thing I'm also using is my Revolution Color Stay Concealer 03 Light Medium. And the next you guys I'm using is my LA Colors called the Pressed Powder Color Nude. And the next one, you guys, I'm going to use my NARS palette. This is called Ignited. So I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to use that in my entire crease. I'm going to use this one, you guys, for my upper crease. And the last one I use is this one right here. I'm going to use that in my lower lash line. And the next thing, you guys, I'm also going to be using is my Bare Nose Glare. This is called Queen Philia. And the next thing, you guys, I'm using my Revolution Ultimate All-in-One Mascara. Guys, look at this wand. I mean, it's like kind of weird. And the next thing, you guys, I'm going to use my LA Colors eyeliner. And the next thing, you guys, I'm also going to be using is my Pixie palette. I'm going to use this bronzer right here. And the next thing, you guys, I'm also going to be using is my e.l.f. Blush Gem. go back to this Pixie palette again. I'm going to use the same highlight right here. And the next thing, you guys, I'm really excited to use the Origin lipstick. It's called 04 Pentel Blush. Here's a little swatch of it, you guys. Isn't that pretty? Like, this is the perfect color, you guys, when you guys are like, you know, going to the beach and everything, like you're looking all tan, like all pretty and everything. And the next thing, you guys, I'm also using my Maxio lip gloss. And the very last thing, you guys, I'm using is my e.l.f. Magic Mist Sun Spray. Alright guys, so this is the final makeup look of my summer beach makeup tutorial. It's actually really pretty and very comfortable to wear. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do more summer beach makeup tutorials. Then let me know in the comments down below. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed already. And you guys are also brand new. And then also, guys, don't forget to turn all notifications on, because that way you guys don't miss any new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I love you guys all so much, and I really would love you guys to help me reach up to 400. And then also, guys, if we do reach up to 400, then we'll literally go up to 600, because we're gonna actually literally, you know, keep it up and keep the goals, you guys. So I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.